women need chocolate, is a scientific fact. Statistically, women tend to desire chocolate much more than men, but men tend to favor cravings for foods like red meat and beer. Why do some women say chocolate is better than sex? Some researchers claim that chocolate helps the body generate phenylethylamine, which is the chemical the body releases when you are in love. The key to understanding this riddle is to know that men and women are so different when it comes to the operation of their minds and to the hormonal changes that happen to them. A team of scientists at Cambridge University proved that women actually need chocolate in their lives. Perhaps the most likely reason that women crave chocolate and enjoy eating it so much is the way chocolate affects the brain. It was found that chocolate affects the brain of women in a different way. The brain of some men and women were scanned using MRI, which revealed the simple answer as to why women crave this sweet lava so often, and it was found that chocolate affected the activity of the amygdala more in the brain of women. The amygdala is a part of the brain that can affect emotions and sexual desire. The scientific data suggests that the mood-enhancing effects of chocolate are not pharmacological. The constituents of chocolate do not appear to affect the brain via a direct biological action. But the effects of eating chocolate are psychological. The unique combination of aroma, texture and taste makes eating chocolate a pleasurable experience that stimulates the emotional feel-good centers of the brain. The evidence also shows that eating your favorite sweet can be even more pleasurable than listening to your favorite music, winning the lottery, or falling in love. Unlike boyfriends, chocolate never ever pisses you off. The reason why women in particular need chocolate is because it can heal possible hormonal imbalances. Chocolate releases endorphins, which make you feel good and helps the body to function properly, even during menstrual time. The more the person's mood changes, the more she becomes in need for anything to regulate her mood, and this is where chocolate comes into play. Dr. Owen, who works at the Wolfson Brain Imaging Center, said, "Both smelling and eating chocolate activate areas of the brain that are known to be involved in creating feelings of pleasure. It has a unique blend of sensory qualities which make us feel good, activating pleasure centers in the brain. Chocolate can affect the brain, leading to an increase in neurotransmitters and dopamine and a feeling of happiness. Chocolate cravings seem tied to hormone changes during menstruation, pregnancy, etc. The magnesium in chocolate promote neurotransmitter activity and dopamine production. This combination makes it especially desirable during hormone imbalance. Chocolate also increases serotonin in the brain, a neurotransmitter responsible for better mood, sleep, and reduction of anxiety. Chocolate also contains theobromine, a chemical known to increase heart rate and energy, as well as arousal. The basic fact that chocolate tastes good and we enjoy eating it means that the body releases dopamine during chocolate consumption. Women have a natural decrease in serotonin in the brain in the week before menstruation, so this may partially explain the specific craving for chocolate during this time. The hormonal levels of women keep changing every now and then as a result of the menstrual cycle, and this makes them more vulnerable to mood changes. Chocolate helps the body generate serotonin, which is the happiness hormone that regulates the mood, reduces mood swings, and that even prevents depression. Chocolate also helps the body generate dopamine, which is a hormone that helps people feel mentally alert. The lack of dopamine might cause lack of attention, lack of concentration, and bad moods. So the conclusion is that women love chocolate so much because it can help them stabilize their body hormones. Chocolate also seems to be good for the heart and circulation. Chocolate contains decent amounts of flavonols, antioxidants that are said to be anti-aging and promote healthy blood flow and blood pressure. Flavonols may also help keep blood vessels elastic. A recent study shows that eating dark chocolate helps restore flexibility to the arteries and also prevents white cells from causing artery clogging. The study showed that consuming chocolate causes a 17% drop in the risk of stroke. Chocolate in the diet can help to reduce weight. Will flour, A neuroscientist says keeping a small pieces of chocolate for 20 minutes before a meal will trigger via hormones a response in the brain that same fall. Thus, end up eating less food and keep your silhouette. Thank you.